Thank you very much for choosing this channel among the millions out there. We really appreciate you for visiting this channel. As you're about to watch this video, it is only two things that is required of you. The first is to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime that we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. And secondly, kindly share this link to a lot of people as much as you can, to the groups on all the social media platforms. And by so doing, you are helping to grow this channel and then also motivating us to create more content and then bring in more videos. This is an inspirational channel, a motivational channel. So kindly help us to advocate this channel to a lot of people. We are much grateful. Once again, thank you very much. That was it. Say channel we and in pray what you say opasa oshe. Channels be bring ho. Asempakafo be bring ho. Nanso so in pray there. What you say channel we say opasa utie onyame anu asem. Nanso ade ba akopɛ ene yesre free ho. Sa ade no say bomoden na channel yi say unsubscribe ya bomoden subscribe. Send ye be ya de bia ye the video etumu a wonsa ebetimi aka. Ye toso biem e paucho ya share the video from nipa bebre no munya bi nhwe eni die kwanso. Na se we sa nyoma we ya edima ya eboa yen e ma ya hye mu tre e ma yetimi nya nipa bebre. Ye toso biem e hye ye nkuran se ye nkusua na ye nye video na ye mfamro na abre ni do nyina ro eni woni nkita so. Nti edawase se obeye de amaye asundwem edawase bibre nyame nshira bibre
Senior. Senior.
Yes. Found sato akoma so ene awurade ni nkomo Jesus ka kire awurade o se awurade efie ho nye to ani hwe ofie a honye crowd say awurade use me as a point of contact. Use me ma message story. You see the story in your family. Yes. Me awurade to me di meaning say onyame wo power.
Yes, Lord. Jesus.
Awurade wo to me say wo jo no say the associate yaw. Awurade wo to me say wo ma wo eba. Awurade wo to me say wo ma wo twetire. Me pese obo mpaye na wo tani ade be free so.
Yes.
Wo se wo kwa wo bai.
Jesus.
Unim de ya ye bibie ba bia obi agina. Yes. De wasaw na mu na tie.
Jesus.
De watia wo nsam agi bibi.
Jesus.
De obi abodin agu nsa wo form.
Jesus.
Let me tell you, ebinim tiri mu odin.
Oh yes.
Otuda ni siw so until say wo hu se wa wieo. Onya wo da.
Yes.
Until until who say baby bottom, until who say we juma na we na gu, until who say yali wo bia bow, until who say nipa bia ku animu ase, until say omo bua wo abrabom omo a ewurade de wo ho ahomobra to omo so no omo didi omo mo bi die omo kai wo abrabom no until say sankrofo ni nyina rejectew ama wa bre onya how da.
Yes.
I believe in the miracles of God.
Oh, yes.
And with God all things are possible.
Possible.
God has that rightful authoritative power,
Yes.
to change things to favor you. Adie bi obi wo ha wo bi wo ani so, like wo dreams bi wo vision bi wo tirimu po bi wo person ka urade boa, but I say forces be, I say to me be resisting intimi ma de wo pe no emam that force na e resist no be so breaking in it. Ya to bury bi wo wanim ama wontimi ntra o pre na won taban abubu obi wo ha ya set satanic limitations wunya sika se dan na asase wunya sika na ase ensi e bi ma na ebi baba mpa o prepa a satanic orchestrations eye tumidie ni wiedie bone eturu mere bia se wan mie wano ankasa wo de saa na ye saa ma saa ye saa wan hweye onipa be serew. And remember that a poor man has no friend. Even in your own family, they will reject you. Let me tell you, once you don't have, everybody will forget you. Abra wouldn't be a refuge. My brother, obey ye DC, you cry, fear for a kayo.
Jesus.
Oh, ye mean your catcher and say, oh, mua dear. Yakabia Chess Canida. Hello.
Hi.
Am I communicating to somebody?
Yes.
May Kabi be Chirobi.
Yes.
Oh, here need your muadio. No, she can need your the coach and him. Say, oh, muadie. Now, so dear, I know here near Yaos, can in Yamorosoda. But you dare not to talk against a rich man. Even in the Bibles, in scriptures, Ecclesiastes, it is written in Ecclesiastes that you dare not to voice a derogatory against a rich man.
Yes.
Or else even the birds in the sky will fight you.
Jesus.
And more who musuo say obeka say tie o sikani afiri say enuma na mu wie mpo be ko ama.
Yes.
Hwe ohianti ye be go anim ase.
Yes.
Sadio ma wa nyina no eye tumidie bi.
Yes.
Bibi Timofie ho mumufie ho bibi ho sister bibi ho. Now you have to rise up and challenge that spirit with the power of God.
Yes.
One challenge spirit na ofisa wo hu ni ho. Ubekọ kwasiada, ubekọ dwoada, ubekọ branda evening service prayer meetings. Ni nyina obesa back to square one.
Yes.
Eturu mre bia wo per 1000 Ghana kura be ye day ama. Ubebre ebre bi wasase so obeti ni so atempentem kwa. Obi afiu.
Yes.
Na dia ahreho ne se. Wo se de ye ne de wanyampo nipa be tie afiri unsam. Ko shia be mo obeboa wo, I'm telling you. Ufie to me on kwan obefa so break you ne be man intem kra. Wonte ase. Adia nan cancer say ye abufuo no. Oboa abufuo be generate. Eturu mre bia wo ho be ye oboafo ani. Hey, sister, bra, you need to say something.
Yes.
Engage the heavens for the heavens to come down and do something for
Yes.
you. I'm telling you. you need to engage heavens until the voice of God speaks upon your life. And you can say, "Adia Sunday." You have that willpower.
Yes.
Who was said to me and said, "What's the son?" Abosumu ni to me nche urade. Ensuo to me ni to me nche urade. To me nyina ura.
Yes.
Ade nyina sutumfuo. Tata.
Yes.
Wose me ne niame ne.
Yes.
Manim ani machi. Obia ni ho. Man tisa urade kan ba bi se. Se bi ni ho a we su ho. Yes, oni sasofo. Yes. Ye di obi toto no ho anya yie. Sister, would you have fibroid no ebe kun? Ube you operation several times enter. Diabetes be kun. Typhoid be kun. Cancer be kun. Prostate be kun. Stroke be kun. But ni nyina mo no, who want power? Say and now shame come to abrabos. You tell your spirit and tell the evil spirit. Who see me free hakwa. Who yari to me. Who to me. And you was here to me. And cut to me. And I'm a break you no time. Biwano kabibi. Kabibi.
Jesus.
Challenge yourself.
In the mighty name of Jesus, I use the power of God to jump this, to take this.
Let me tell you something. Don't joke with your life. Even though there was a revelational knowledge concerning the victory of Israel. When Yamin is sunny be saying come. Say Makua deep way. Catch the Israel for me say. A kuna omo kono ombe kunim. And Bible goes on to confirm that in the beginning of the battle they were winning. Until when the king rose. When he rose up and began to do some certain rituals and paid what you call a higher sacrifice. Until that moment, a different atmosphere was activated. And all of a sudden, the Israelites were losing. Hello. Hey, when something happens in the realms of the spirit, in the early beginning of your life, it's like you were winning. Until recently, something happened. A judgment was passed against you in the rest of the spirit. Obia Bautisra for dear. Obia ye be say Obua. Who need them come here? awale ne yebemu akade anwunu na ahwe yebeti waware mu nhira yebeti wabrabo mu nhira wo yema be ma ne nhwa wo ne o mada hello hey judgment be against you pronouncement be a decree be my brother 25 30 35 40 45 years you have nothing to boast of. When you share with me, yes, you will say, "Oh dear, hey, your car, dada, hey, sister,
yes,
hey, brah, hey, you need to change something.
Yes,
change the pronouncement.
Yes,
change the evil agenda.
Yes,
bring them down,
yes,
and all your satanic opponents, yes, crush them.
Yes,
crush them.
Yes,
crush them.
Yes,
who nim the entire. Who did the BS cartoon someone a man yet told? Hey, and you be there?
Yes, Obi.
Obi there?
Yes.
Who pray and send when you sika?
Yes.
Sika ni baya. Yanchi want to mua. Na yalia boba. Yalia mowa. Now the kobo ekahunu. Sister.
Yes.
Sit down, bra.
Yes.
We a young guy.
Yes.
Sister bibi.
Yes.
Biawado.
Yes.
No be a potiswa for there. Obi a sorry and I did the swim. What? Ne toasie gutiri so obi ni ewia obi ni ewia akasa se de bia obebo bia no omongu abrabo so ede na wo ye sesa no na me hwe ka bibi sisi ha change it
Odia fawo Nina Patsera disu Na jidi se Wobe sumiye Waya biya mamio Wobe ya mawo Maweni mri wo paibomu Yesu abeyo Wobe haumu Receive therapy. What's in the concrobia?
talk to God
Ah, Jimmy Swell.
change it
Mamma mia. Energia. Yes, the Kabafo. Wami Halubu. Receive therapy. What's in the concrobia? Now Jimmy Swell. Anywhere, mammy. Elitia. Yes, why are we suffering? This is way. Oh, what's it need? You need some love. Why are we suffering? What the way? Oh, still need. Maybe I mean you need some young man, baby. You need some young man. Oh, when you why are we suffering? What the way? What would you
adeɛ bi to awurade anim sɛ tie nie Opatafuor Nyankopɔn me ne wo tentam.
Yes.
Tie nie o me bɛsɛ me hu sampa o yɛ tumi a wo hɔ.
Yes.
Enkosi sɛ afi wei enko na wie yɛ no.
Yes.
Me pesa adeɛ wei na si yi adeɛ baako pɛ yi adeɛ baako pɛ ne ka ɛmu obi ntibi ne fa wado ɛka yes ɛne awurade ntentam
Ori funyami Maba wani bira Miya not see Ejami ni shika Eya wuna mafumu Maya bani bira Yeti na mabai Adofunyami fami bonichi Ori funyami Maba wani biwa Iya dotie Echami nishika Eya wuna mafu Mayo boni mire Etina mabe Adofunyami fami bonichi Sobe pipa Iti efri kwa umemwana Ube mema Atafwa sirimi akosi dabe Sobe pipa Iti efri kwa umemwana Ube mema Atafwa sirimi akosi dabe Afi fami ya udimi Bo akoma fufro tumimu Obatamba Manitse wadumuda Shirami wakwai Amankwetiw ankoye bwani Afimi sewe iwo wofimi suo Yeah, bebe tireyasi Abraham ni miswana Happy family Fama kumo Fama chini mi mwati ebina Odufwe family Saube pipa Uti efi kau mwana Ube mema Atafwa sirimi Akosi dabe Oh mi wafache Oh mi fufache Yeah Fache Na mese wedio Adufu yesu fache Oh mi fufache Fache Tuomidi Kawumemu Happy family Family ya udini Bakuma fufro tumimu Obatamba Manitse wadumuda Surami wakwai Amankwetiw ankoye boni Happy family Fama kuma Fama chini mi mwati ebina Odupuo yesu Saube pipa Iti efi kwa umemwana Ube mema Tapwa sirimi Omi rafache Wari fufache Pache Na mese wedio Otumfu Yesu efaso. Wami fufache. Hey, fache. Shwamidi. Famisi yema.
Ore dawas. Jesus. Udimun ti wedding kunim.
Yes.
Pejaya mpa body ba wani.
Jesus.
Sra osuro di hwam de soso.
Yes, Lord.
Say my empire bo entu hwam wani. Mani nsi yeyi. Tayen.
Yes, Lord.
Said they were humobro sitie.
Yes, Lord.
Onipa bia.
Jesus.
Ohaw bi da no so. Amane bi da no so. Owura yenchi tumi bia ani.
Yes.
Apart from wa boss ro ni asase.
Yes.
Okuto ni aji utumi die. Wa ye bia matetefo no.
Yes.
Enim se obetimi aye bi so amaye.
Jesus.
Owura boa ye.
Yes, Lord.
Tai ye.
Yes, Lord.
Sheyenden.
Oh, yes,
Aho kire mpare ye.
Jesus.
Owuo mpare ye.
Jesus.
Yareda ho mpare ye.
Jesus.
Amane mpare ye.
Jesus.
Eningwase mpare ye.
Jesus.
Wo Yesu denimo.
Yes.
Empatu wo bia ye twam.
Jesus.
Enome ohaw kwada na tete musuo. Ye twam.
Jesus.
Wa dominant. Amen.
Amen.
Sorry Tinas.
Yes.
Opatafuor, you're strong and kind, mighty heart and a brilliant mind. Generosity in every game, change the world in your name. Every day you rise and grind, lift us up, leave none behind. In your shadow we find the light, guiding us to better heights. Opatafuor, to the power, strength and love in every hour. Generosity like summer rain, you shine through every pain. Oh, you the power, strength and love in every hour. Generosity like summer rain, you shine through every pain. In your presence fears subside, kindness is your greatest pride. Every battle you fight to win, bringing hope time and again. When the world feels cold and dark, you ignite that hopeful spark. With a heart so big and wide, bringing hope time and again. Opatafuor, you the power, strength and love in every hour. Generosity like summer rain, you shine through every pain. When the world feels cold and dark, you ignite that hopeful spark. With a heart so big and wide,